Oh my God, look what it is.
Didn't recognize the blue beast.
Holy cow. Look at that.
Huh?
I haven't seen that t-shirt in a little while.
Oh, yeah. I outgrew it.
They outgrew it. You've been sitting around too much, huh?
Around 6 months, man.
Man, oh man. No cane?
No gain.
No cane, no gain. You're walking pretty good, huh?
Not too bad. I can't do a lot of lifting yet.
Well, you just point tonight and I'll do all the lifting.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good. How's everybody doing? All right? They're good. It's great to be out, man. Sunshine today and all.
People were dying, man. Dying without their bob fix.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they missed you.
Well, I missed them, too.
Well, there you go. Well, you ready to find some treasure?
We're going to get them all tonight.
Get them all. All right. I like that sound of that. Let's go.
Okay.
I got it, Bob.
You sure?
I think so. Better put it in the park first, though. All right. First thing of the night, of course, is another fan. Whoops. Fumble. Oh, that's plastic anyway. We'll leave that. It's your biggest fan, Bob. How about a tricycle? And
like that last time.
Maybe some cords there, too.
Cords there.
Yeah, lots of cords there. Holy cow. No wheels.
A lot of copper in there, isn't it?
Dang, boy, it sure is.
Want some boots? You want some boots?
They're in good shape.
Bad shape.
No, they're in pretty good shape. Been out in the rain, though.
Yeah.
Dang. I guess we don't need the cord cutters, do we? Do you think we should take the whole suitcase?
Yeah.
All right, tell you what, can you hold on to those?
I gotta lift something.
Yeah, you can lift me when I fall on the ground.
That's in the suitcase.
I'm leaving you.
You're leaving.
This first. Don't be jacking around, because if you get hurt, your wife's gonna kill me.
Oh well.
Oh well.
All the way up or what?
Sure, yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Taking this for your friend?
Yeah, we'll take this for Ryan. He can tear it up. So we can save that suitcase for when the wife kicks you out.
Emergency?
Well, that's pretty flat. Yeah, let's take it. It's pretty. Well, there we go. The metal too.
How about a chocolate chip cookies?
Ooh, all right, I'm in. Oh, they're empty.
Oh, geez.
Damn it. How's it feel to be back, Bob?
Good.
You got all the heavy stuff, huh? Attaboy. All adds up. Although I gotta tell you, my mother's like, you know, that glassware video? I'm like, yeah. Well, that one was a pitcher with its own top, and that was depression glass. Well, that was depression glass. You threw away money. I'm like, oh, jeez. My own mother.
My own flesh and blood.
My own flesh and blood. Ladies and gentlemen, it's West Bend. You can move this to your new place. You want this for your new house?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like red.
You like red? There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Is that it?
Box of leaves. You want...
Box of leaves, that will pass. Hey, you might want to get these, Bob. Oh, they're missing a handle there. Well, you only... There you go. There you go.
What's in that can there?
This? Or this? This?
Yeah.
Whoops.
I'm gonna see if I'm gonna miss that or not.
I dove the night,
Wanna have a duel?
Sir Bob.
Wanna have a duel?
I don't think we can fit that one in the van there, buddy.
Yeah, it's pretty big, isn't
It's pretty big. Old Eagle Eye Bob, he saw this down there. Oh, it's a bowling ball, huh?
Look at that case.
Oh yeah, hand tooled leather. Nice.
So,
Can I throw it in the antique mall for 10 bucks, 5 bucks? I don't know. Ooh.
look at here, huh?
Look at that. How'd we miss those, huh?
Yeah.
Drove right past them.
Bowling ball with it.
It's up to you, man. Your call.
Take it out.
To take the bag? Okay. What's that?
Maybe the zipper's broke. Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is, yep. So no? Okay. Yeah. Me too. There we go.
VHS too.
VHS. All right.
Christmas tree too.
Yeah, I gotta take that to Lisa. There you go. Heck yeah, USB plug in. Heck yeah. Look at that, there's a key in there. Key to happiness, Bob.
Yeah.
Aw, you can give that to your wife. Tell her it unlocks your heart. Your stone cold heart.
Red Robin gift card.
Just realized this is the bottle opener. Oh, well that will open my happiness.
What is this?
And the ability to open any bottle. Look at you, brainiac. Here, pull that out and then blow through it. It's a bubble.
Oh, never mind.
You can float away on tiny bubbles.
You go to bed tonight with that.
You take that home to your wife.
Blowing bubbles tonight.
Looks like it's got potential.
Oh, look at here ahead of you.
That's what I'm saying. Oh boy. Got a little mermaid doll here. Turn around, I'll get your picture. Give me a thumbs up.
$5, man.
$5. What a deal. You got your gloves on, man.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Here. There you go.
Thanks, man.
We taking it?
Here, dump it. You can't leave it in a bucket.
Leave it in the bucket. Heck yeah.
Do not open, thank you.
Thank you. This is one big chunk of steel here, bud. Oh, a nice cat purse. Bet this smells really good in the old van, right? Bet you're all thinking the same thing. Stink up the old van. Well, look at that.
Isn't that fancy?
That is fancy.
That's enough for you to keep?
It's up to you, man. It's your night. It's all about Bob tonight.
Bud.
You're done? Okay. Well, we passed up that bed, Bob.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna pass this one up too. Should have brought the truck. Yeah, part of the trampoline. Or no, I guess it's part of a swing.
Swing set anyway.
We can get her in, can't we?
Yeah,
Heck yeah, anything's possible. Let's see here. Okay. There we go. Look at you, muscle man. Can we get that? Oh, careful, careful. There you go. Oh, hello there. How are you? What are you doing? It's a hot dog thing. Hot dog steamer.
Put hot dogs in there.
Heck yeah. Can you get it in? What was that?
Say I taught you something new, huh?
Can you get her in?
Yeah.
How about a power washer?
Here's some rotors.
What?
Rotors.
Rotors?
Yeah.
What? Girls' day.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you.
Huh?
You let me get those now. You just keep it. Okay. You just keep your eagle eyes out. Oh. Catch. Oh, what this is sticking up here. Well, it's metal. Not a bad load. Ooh, there's a chandelier. It's an old one. Like old like you?
Yeah. Oh. Look at that.
Well, looky. We gonna take it? No.
Yes.
I got no. I got. Don't do that. Don't we lift in anything? I don't. Dang it. No, it's not that old because it's got that. But it's Bob's night. We're gonna take it. Nothing else?
Yep.
Okay. Well, Bob, how's it feel to be back in the old groove of things?
Oh, it's great, man.
Yeah, you feel good?
Feel good. Yeah, I feel good.
Good.
Nice to be out. Good day to be out.
Good day to be out. Yeah, I thought it was going to rain on us for a little bit there, but we
Overcome that situation.
yeah.
Good to be out.
Boy, that was a safe fan, huh?
Yeah. I see why they kept it out.
Yeah, really? You okay?
Where'd you put yours? Just throw them in here?
I threw them on top of those cords, yeah. We'll put them in the shed here in a second. Oh, right on top of there. Do you want to take the suitcase home when so you have it when you move out? Or you?
No,
No?
I ain't going anywhere yet.
Yet. Yet being the main word there. I'll put this over here for Ryan. This is where I put all the electronics for Ryan when he comes down to pick them up. Are you still playing with that thing?
Isn't it nice, huh?
All right,
Bet
well,
you wish you had one.
I wish I did have one, just like it.
There you go.
Yeah, $5 and it can be yours, right? All right, everybody. Well, that's it. Thank God Bob's back on the channel.
Yes, sir. We had a good evening. Good night. Good to see you all.
Absolutely.
Hello, Argentina.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well anyway.
Where's Jamaica?
Jamaica, Scotland.
Scotland, Canada, yes.
Yeah, Canadians that follow us, sure. You're world renowned.
Am I what?
You're what?
Yeah, just all these beautiful people out there. Sure good to see y'all.
Well, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you at the next clean out.
Or the dumpster diving.
Or dumpster diving. Now he's got a taste for it. Now he's hooked.
Got a taste for it. I've been looking for this for 6 months.
Take care, everybody.